And I want you to speak in loud voice and repeat after me. I state your name. O state your address. Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the criminology profession in the Philippines, and that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the responsibilities and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized criminologist. So help me God. Makibaba ang inyong mga kamay. By the power vested upon me by Republic Act number 8981 and Republic Act number 11131, the issuances of the Professional Regulation Commission and that of the Professional Regulatory Board of Criminology, and subject only to the formal compliance in your application for registration with the PRC. Henceforth, I hereby declare you as registered criminologists. Congratulations.
State your name. Of state your address. After having been accepted as member of the Professional Criminology Association of the Philippines, the Integrated Professional Organization of Criminologists, do hereby solemnly swear and affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance, obey, support, and defend the Constitution and bylaws of PICA, the Philippine Constitution, the Criminology Professional Regulatory Law, the laws of the land, the programs, policies, and principles of PICA, and the Criminologist Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct, that I wholeheartedly accept these obligations, and faithfully and conscientiously perform my responsibilities as a member of PICAP, and that I impose these obligations upon myself in the free exercise of my volition, voluntarily, without mental reservation. So help me God. Congratulations. Still, please stand up. So, before I formally declare you as a regular member of the PICAP, do you have ng ating PICAP at saka yung art print? I think you have two pins to be placed on the collar of your glamorous dresses. Ayan. So, partner na lang po, face to face. Pakikabit po yung ating PICAP at saka yung left and right. One is the PICAP, tapos sa right ng partner. On me to administer and to charge you, I am now officially announcing and recognizing each one of you welcome as a regular member of the Professional Criminology Association of the Philippines with all the rights, privileges, and obligations enumerated in our law. Congratulations once more and a blessed day to everyone.
Please remain standing. Ladies and gentlemen, the exit of colors.